people or people whose parents weren't around. It's a regular American
Yes, she's going to town.
That's good. That's
yep.
way above the minimum wage.
They're. Alright, cool. Go in the opposite lane of traffic just to cut people off. Very good. Now that's something that will go on my channel. No. No, where are you going?
Our universe is doomed! Doomed!
Of course, just because this was an accident doesn't mean it's not fucking awesome, right? Stage 2 of this rocket is much smaller than stage 1 booster.
Oh my god. Two sides.
That did not happen. But I think it's funny that both he and Carl,
Go ahead.
Carl have just the most over-the-top New York accents.
There's tons of room. Tons of room.
New York accents in this Baltimore.
In this Baltimore, yeah, everybody in Baltimore.
Jesus Christ.
I get some cold. Yeah,
It'd be nice if people didn't park there. You go. So I guess we don't care what signs mean. Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna go talk to your fucking boss again.
Exactly. See, look, isn't this genius? Why are you there? Why are you parked there? Why? Idiots.
Belly stuck out like sore thumbs.
Yeah. Traffic goes that way. Just like to let people know.
Yeah. I'm not a big fan of the bike riders when I'm walking either.
Apropos of roller skates, his family got stolen, but Nazis grenade killed one horrible.
Of course. Parked in the bike lane. Thanks for blocking the bike lane.
Misinformation and stigma. Yeah, so I was really happy with that. That was a really interesting thing. The man truly was all worthy for that gentleman's gobsmacked face.
I'm looking at the article that you're looking at, and it says that the
Where are we going?
person was on that same
Good lord.
She wrote on Facebook, she came across
and maybe everybody should fucking chill out for a second, because maybe we can trust women to deal with their own bullshit for like once.
I do appreciate that sort of thing where it's like, look,
No, not your turn.
it's done.
wrong way, fuckface. Hey, you. Why don't you have your lights on? Lights. Somebody go. Oh my God. Now it's your turn. Yep. Weird. That's not how you do it. That's not how you. I was letting you go because you don't have a stop sign. Ugh. Nope, no one in there. No one in there. Of course not.
Yeah, Randy's quiet, and then he's like, yeah, why don't I drive you to the hospital to get that checked out? Does this come into play in the movie at all? No. I gotta go talk to something. By the way, we would be defended that we're about to sue and drive them to the hospital.
See that sign right there?
Cut away.
No parking anytime. I know everyone else is, but
I have spent the night in this greenhouse.
Accordance with the dictates of their own conscience,
Yeah.
and as long as they're not infringing the rights of others, there's space and room for that, and that can only happen
Yeah.
in secularism.
Yeah. And it's supposed to be what the United States is based on.
It's 100% like it's right there in the
Good
document.
job.
Yeah, but it's like, it's so weird.
I won every match that we played. I don't like my suit. In our lead story tonight, Boris Johnson receives a job blow. And then another Tory MP.
And yep, run another light,
was
and
imprisoned for sexually assaulting a
technically made that
15-year-old
one.
boy.
I like that Neil was like, well, it's watching.
Yeah.
What is the part where it worked well for him?
I don't know. I mean, I'm sure he'll have a book that
Lifelong
sells like
Republican.
8 copies, but yeah.
One of the worst Republicans, one of the most effective bad guys of the administration. But if you don't, that is the one criteria now is sign on to the big lie or else. That's all that matters. Crazy.
So that was my sort of point one. But then
What the
I
fuck
had
are you
two
doing?
things that I really hoped to see from the January 6th committee. That again, I drew a contrast with the Mueller.
Run!
Is there going to be unambiguous criminal?
So much
The
stupid.
problem with the Mueller report is that it says, while if we thought the president wasn't committing crimes, we would have said so. Like
Yeah. I guess I should know. The first season is available on YouTube. Still, go and watch it. Is my suggestion. And you know, if nothing else, though,
Wow.
all the people on the billboard around, so that's nice. At least they decided to make Jesus.
There's a whole spot right there.
It's a start. Anyway, this billboard that I saw, it actually had, it looked scribbled out And instead of just saying The Chosen, it said chosensucks.com. The Chosen is boring. What? And here's what it turns out.
Park.
This was their big new ad
Park.
campaign. What they did was they put up a bunch of billboards. We've got some here in Salt Lake for the show, and then they did very.
You can't pull in? There's a spot right there.
Trying to park?
No, I'm waiting on you to park.
I'm not parking.
So you're gonna sit in the middle of the street?
Yeah, man.
There's a whole spot right there. Why would you do that? Keep going.
Right? Just because Jeffrey Epstein hung around with people didn't mean that they were pedophiles. Now, I will say, if after he was convicted of that quote-unquote
The way you pulled in makes me wish your dad pulled out.
child prostitution thing, after that happened, and you still hung out with Jeffrey Epstein,
Complain about their bacon life and ask for cushions on chairs and think that's reason.
Yeah, don't conflate all those things as if they're all the same. I don't think you're being judgmental.
but I'm a part of the server at this
Thanks for the free parking.
point. This is pathological.
Right.
Right? Unless these guys are like gangsters that are liable to shoot her if she gets this wrong. This is a pathological
There's a spot right there.
Right, she's cutting the bacon to equal length with scissors is what she's doing because the guy complained that his bacon was a different size than the other bacon.
Right there.
If I'm this
Or up here.
I'm gonna I want to take it a step further.
Not the middle of the road.
You know, like fruit by the foot.
Mm-hmm.
I want to roll it up like that with like a paper ruler as the paper, the wax paper. So
Look at this Volkswagen. Swear we're gonna have it.
Yeah, no, you got they picked up for you. It just looked like you're after 100. The Chiefs, you can do whatever you want. 3 timeouts. Got the State Farm post-game show coming up. JB, all the crew are here in Kansas City, and they'll be talking about this one.
No turn signal. Oh, now you use them.
Plus the presentation of the Walmart Trophy.
You're already halfway into the
AFC
lane.
champion.
That makes
It's all
sense.
coming up on the State Farm post-game show. Now we're starting to look like the